this is Janet with Try It Like It Create It, and today I am unboxing my stock of CutCardStock. And this is from my design team that I am on. I have been given the opportunity to purchase using a gift certificate, and so this is what I have purchased to be used for design team projects for the next couple of months. I'm on the design team with CutCardStock, and I share SVG files twice a month on their site. So to show you, I have a stack of cardstock here, and I'm just going to show you what I got. This totals to just about $100 worth of cardstock. So first off, I have a sample pack of Pop Tone, and this is the most inexpensive way to get the variety of colors here. Pop Tone is their bright papers. Let me just pull this out a little bit so you can see. So what I've got here is a sampling of all the colors, and I've gone ahead and ordered 2 of these. So just in case I have a problem with cutting, or if I need more than just one piece, I bought 2 sample packs. So that's what these are. And you can tell down here in the corner, I'm going to have to avoid this little corner here because they're printed as to what they are. So the next thing I have here is a basis sample pack. And this is once again a sample pack of variety of colors. And once again, I ordered 2 of these. So just to kind of give you an idea of the colors, and this is about an 80-pound cardstock. You can hear the thickness of it. The Pop Tone was a 65 cover, so it's a little bit thinner than the basis. And so I bought 2 of those to have multiples of color. And then I bought 1 pack of 8.5 by 11 in multi-sparkle glitter cardstock gold. They have this glitter cardstock in different colors, but I picked up the gold, and there's 10 sheets in this pack. I should tell you the others, the sample packs, I'm not sure that they say how many are in them, but I know it's 1 of each of the colors. So there's the gold. And then I bought Star Dream metallic cardstock. I use the Star Dream a lot in my projects. I just love it. It's a metallic looking surface to the paper, both front and back, and so I grabbed it in coral. This is a bit heavier cardstock. It's 105, and so you need to, if you're going to cut it, you need to up the pressure on your cutting machine or cut it twice. This is a 105 cover, and there are 25 sheets of coral. And then I also got it in quartz, and that is a sparkly kind of ivory color. And then I bought some basic white cardstock because you can never go wrong with that. This is 80-pound cover, and there's 25 sheets here, and this cuts perfectly just on the Moore setting on your Cricut maker, if that's helpful to you. So that is what $100 worth of cardstock looks like.